This is the way through which we came in. Rooms are there in the right side, and at the extreme right, reception. That is when you come inside, reception is on the left side and the rooms are on the left side. And we are here in the oval lawn, and beautiful setup for the campfire. And there's a huge hall over there and a dining hall here. So let's see the huge hall and the setup over there. So this is the hall. Wow, such a huge hall. I guess we can accommodate close to 500 people over here. Love the setup here. Perfect. And yes, we will go to the next location. Alright, so we have the stage setup over here, and yes, the campfire, and we'll move to the next location, which is nothing but the swimming pool. And also there is a huge lawn there, and they said this setup can be used as an helipad. Let me take you to there. Swimming pool is there, and this is a place which has a huge lawn, but of course little bit of renovation work is going on here. They need to get this place ready, and probably they may get a helipad over here. We are marching towards the swimming pool. Right, the swimming pool is getting ready, and we have the rain dance set up over here. And there you have the boating. There's a gym as well. Actually, this is not the way to boating, but I'm coming in a shortcut. Yes. That's it for now. We are here at Reva Resorts and Holiday Homes, Chittoor. MC Thamizharasan for you.